Gentlemen, what if the very first thing you sip each morning decides whether your prostate stays healthy or slowly swells, steals your sleep, and robs you of energy without you even noticing? Your prostate never rests. It works around the clock, controlling your urine flow and managing hormones that affect everything from energy to sexual health. But most men start the day with coffee or sugary drinks, not realizing that those habits slowly fuel inflammation and hormone trouble for years before symptoms ever appear. About 50% of men in their 50s and up to 80% by age 80 will deal with an enlarged prostate. But the right tea in the morning can help flush toxins, reduce prostate swelling, and support a healthy urinary system in a gentle, natural way. No expensive supplements. No complicated routines. In this video, I'll share the top 6 morning teas you must drink to help flush toxins, reduce inflammation, support prostate health, and boost urinary flow naturally. These are simple to make and backed by real science. Some of you may already have in your kitchen, but one on this list is often overlooked, even though it can make a real difference when used correctly. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next video in this series. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment telling me where you're from and if you've tried any of these teas before. Let's break them down one by one so you know exactly which tea your prostate needs most. Let's start with tea number 1. Green tea. You've probably heard about it for years, but what you may not know is that green tea has a very special relationship with your prostate. People have been drinking it for centuries. Traditional healers valued it. Now modern science tells us why. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, and one of them stands out. It's called EGCG. This compound steps in and slows down a hormone called DHT. DHT is the main hormone that drives prostate growth. When DHT levels get too active, the prostate starts to enlarge. EGCG helps keep that process in check. Researchers have seen this in the lab. In one study published in International Immunopharmacology from 2018, rats given EGCG showed less prostate enlargement and less inflammation. The tissue actually looked healthier. What that means for you is that drinking green tea regularly may help slow the kind of growth that leads to those frustrating symptoms, like getting up multiple times at night or feeling like your bladder never fully empties. To get the most out of green tea, each morning steep 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose green tea leaves in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes. You don't need to boil it. Just let it sit. If you want a little more from it, add a slice of lemon. Lemon helps your body absorb the good compounds better. A touch of honey makes it gentler on the taste buds. Drink it on an empty stomach, maybe half an hour before breakfast. That gives your body time to take in the benefits without competing with food. 1 cup is a great start. If you enjoy it, you can work up to 2 or even 3 cups over the course of the day. If you usually reach for coffee first thing, try swapping it for green tea instead. Coffee can sometimes irritate the bladder and speed up that jittery feeling. Green tea gives you a gentler lift while helping circulation in your pelvic area. It also encourages your kidneys to flush out waste, which means fewer toxins hanging around your system. Over time, this simple morning habit does more than support your prostate. It helps your whole urinary tract stay cleaner and your blood vessels stay more flexible, and that's the kind of support your body appreciates day after day. Now, let us talk about tea number 2, saw palmetto. The name might sound unfamiliar, but these berries have a long history of helping men with prostate concerns. What makes saw palmetto so effective comes down to how it works inside your body. Your prostate grows when a hormone called DHT becomes too active. DHT comes from testosterone through an enzyme. Saw palmetto gently slows down that enzyme. It's the same approach some prescription medications use, but saw palmetto does it in a natural, food-based way using the fatty acids and plant compounds found in the berries. Researchers have taken notice. A Korean review published in a food science and biotechnology journal highlighted that the unique fatty acids in saw palmetto consistently show benefits for prostate health. In practice, I hear from men who start using it and notice they don't get up as many times during the night. Their stream feels stronger. That nagging sense of urgency starts to ease. Even large clinical trials confirm that men who take saw palmetto report feeling significantly better compared to those who don't. To make saw palmetto tea, you'll need dried saw palmetto berries. Use about 1 teaspoon of crushed berries for each cup of hot water. Let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you steep, the more you pull out those active compounds. The taste is earthy and a little soapy, which some people find unusual at first. That's easy to fix. Add a few fresh mint leaves, a slice of lemon, or a small spoonful of honey. It becomes pleasant and still delivers everything your prostate needs. Drink it first thing in the morning. That gives your body a steady start. Think of saw palmetto as a slow, steady helper. It doesn't work overnight, it works over weeks. The goal is to gently reduce the swelling and pressure in your prostate so your bladder can do its job without straining. I've seen men who stick with it for a month or two notice real changes. They sleep through the night. They stop planning their day around bathroom locations. That kind of freedom makes a difference. Saw palmetto tea gives you a simple way to get there. Next up is stinging nettle. I know the name sounds intimidating. If you have ever brushed against this plant in the wild, you know it can give you a sharp tingle on your skin. But once you dry the leaves and roots and steep them in hot water, that sting disappears completely. What remains is one of the most powerful natural allies for your prostate. Stinging nettle works in a few important ways. It contains phytosterols, lignans, and anti-inflammatory compounds that calm inflammation right where your prostate sits. It also helps loosen the tissues around the prostate so your bladder can empty more easily. But what really sets nettle apart is the research behind it. In one study from Iran, researchers followed 100 men with prostate symptoms for 8 weeks. The men who drank nettle saw their symptom scores drop from around 26 down to just 2. That's a dramatic change. The men who took a placebo saw no improvement at all. The same study found that nettle also helped lower PSA levels and reduce the size of the prostate itself. I've seen this play out in my own practice. Men come to me frustrated with getting up 3 or 4 times a night. They feel like their bladder never fully empties. After a few weeks of adding nettle tea to their morning routine, many tell me they start sleeping through the night again. That urgency that used to control their day starts to fade. Making nettle tea is simple. You can use dried nettle leaf or nettle root. Both work well. Use about 1 teaspoon of dried herb for each cup of hot water. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. The taste is earthy and mild, nothing like the sting you might expect. If you want to soften the flavor a bit, add a spoonful of honey or a thin slice of fresh ginger. Both pair beautifully with nettle and add their own anti-inflammatory benefits. Drink it first thing in the morning. Nettle has a gentle diuretic effect, meaning it helps your body flush out extra fluids. Starting your day with it helps clear waste from your pelvic area and sets your urinary system on the right track. If you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and tap the notification bell. I'm putting together a full series on natural prostate support, and I want to make sure you don't miss what comes next. Also, drop a comment below. Tell me where you're from and if you have ever tried nettle tea before. I read every comment and I love hearing from you. Stinging nettle proves that sometimes the most powerful remedies come from humble places. A little patience and a consistent morning cup can lead to fewer trips to the bathroom, better sleep, and a prostate that feels less like a burden. Let's move on to tea number 4, ginger tea. You probably already have this in your kitchen. Most people know ginger for calming an upset stomach or warming them up on a cold day, but what many don't realize is that ginger is also a powerful ally for your prostate. The compounds in ginger, things like gingerol and shogaol, do 2 important jobs. First, they calm inflammation. Inflammation is one of the main reasons the prostate swells and causes those frustrating symptoms like urgency and slow flow. Second, ginger improves circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your pelvic area, helping your prostate function the way it should. Researchers have looked closely at what ginger can do. In one lab study, ginger extract showed a strong ability to slow the growth of prostate cells. Now that study focused on cancer cells, but the takeaway is important. Ginger has a natural calming effect on the prostate, helping keep cell growth in check without the harsh side effects you might worry about with medications. Making ginger tea takes just a few minutes. Slice about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of fresh ginger root. Place it in a cup and pour hot water over it. Let it steep for 10 minutes. The longer you let it sit, the stronger it gets. If the spiciness feels a little sharp, add a squeeze of lemon and a small spoonful of honey. Lemon brings its own detox benefits, and honey smooths everything out. Drink this tea daily. I recommend having it in the morning so your body starts the day with that anti-inflammatory support. Ginger also helps your digestion, which means your whole system runs more smoothly. A calm gut takes pressure off the surrounding areas, including your prostate. Over time, regular ginger tea can lower the inflammation markers floating around in your body. That translates to less pressure on your bladder, a stronger stream, and mornings that feel more comfortable. It's simple, it's affordable, and it's already sitting in your kitchen waiting to be used. Let's talk about tea number 5, pumpkin seed tea. You've probably seen pumpkin seeds before. Those flat, green pepitas that show up in salads or as a snack. But what you may not know is that they're one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can find for your prostate. Pumpkin seeds deliver 2 critical nutrients. The first is zinc. Your prostate holds more zinc than any other organ in your body. When zinc levels drop, prostate cells struggle to stay healthy. The second is beta-sitosterol. This plant compound naturally competes with DHT, the hormone that drives prostate growth. Together, these 2 nutrients give your prostate exactly what it needs to stay calm and function properly. Researchers have put pumpkin seed to the test. One study from Japan compared pumpkin seed oil to a common prostate medication called tamsulosin. The men who took pumpkin seed oil saw significant improvement in their urinary symptoms. They had smoother flow, less straining, and fewer trips to the bathroom. And unlike the medication, pumpkin seed oil caused no side effects. That's a powerful result. To enjoy pumpkin seed tea, you have 2 options. The first is to crush a handful of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds and steep them in hot water for about 10 minutes. Let them sit, then strain and drink. The second option is simpler. Use cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons and mix it into warm water or stir it into your morning smoothie. A word of caution, avoid roasted seeds. High heat destroys some of the delicate compounds that make pumpkin seeds so effective. Over a few weeks of consistent use, you'll likely notice real changes. Fewer late-night trips to the bathroom, a stronger stream when you go, less of that nagging feeling that your bladder never fully empties. Many men tell me they enjoy the mild, nutty taste of pumpkin seed tea, which makes it easy to stick with day after day. And when something is easy to stick with, results follow naturally. Now, let's finish with tea number 6, turmeric. You've probably seen this golden spice in your kitchen or heard about its anti-inflammatory reputation. But what makes turmeric special for your prostate is a compound inside it called curcumin. Curcumin doesn't just target one problem, it works on multiple pathways at once. It calms the inflammation signals that keep your prostate swollen, and it blocks the growth factors that tell prostate cells to multiply. Researchers put curcumin to the test in a 2015 South Korean study at Kyunghee University. They gave rats testosterone injections to trigger prostate growth. One group also received curcumin. The rats that got curcumin developed almost no prostate enlargement. Their prostate tissue looked healthy, similar to rats that never received testosterone. The curcumin worked as well as a standard prostate medication, but without the side effects. To make turmeric tea, use fresh grated turmeric root or half a teaspoon of ground turmeric powder. Here's the key step. Always add a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Without pepper, your body struggles to pull the benefits from turmeric. You can also combine it with ginger, cinnamon, or a squeeze of lemon to round out the flavor. Drink it in the morning so your body gets that steady anti-inflammatory support throughout the day. One important thing to keep in mind, turmeric is very safe for most people, but if you take blood-thinning medication, check with your doctor before adding it to your daily routine. Curcumin works slowly. Consistency matters. Over several weeks, it helps reduce the swelling and stiffness in your prostate tissue. That means easier urination, less discomfort, and a real sense that your body is working with you instead of against you. So, there you have it, 6 morning teas that can help flush toxins, calm inflammation, and restore your prostate health. Green tea to slow DHT, saw palmetto to block the enzyme that fuels prostate growth, stinging nettle to ease urgency and improve flow, ginger to cool inflammation, pumpkin seed to deliver zinc and beta-sitosterol, and turmeric to fight swelling from multiple angles. Every one of them is simple, natural, and easy to work into your day. You don't have to drink all 6. Pick the ones that appeal to you. Rotate them throughout the week so your body gets a variety of benefits. Morning hydration with these teas gradually flushes excess fluid from your system, lowers inflammation, and helps your hormone signals find their natural balance. Combine these teas with good habits. Stay hydrated throughout the day, Add colorful vegetables like tomatoes and berries to your meals. Cut back on processed foods. Even a gentle daily walk or some light movement can amplify what these teas are doing for your pelvic area. Give this time. Results don't come overnight. Stick with your chosen teas for at least 2 to 4 weeks. Pay attention to how you feel. Notice if you're getting up fewer times at night. Notice if your flow feels stronger. That progress will keep you going. You now have a toolbox backed by science to take charge of your prostate health naturally. Which tea will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Together, we will keep your prostate and the rest of you as healthy as possible.